Hey there, Miss Chu. Good afternoon to you. My name is Dylan Delgado, client specialist here with Hill Country Honda. I saw you inquired on our 2018 Honda Accord EXL with navigation, so I just want to go ahead and create you a quick walk-around tour video of the vehicle. As you know, I'm sure you've done your research, the vehicle does come with Honda Sensing standard, also come with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, heated seats, obviously navigation. It'll have a 1.5 liter turbocharged engine as well on top of that. This vehicle is loaded with tons of features, and I would love for you to come take a look at it in person. If you have any questions, please reach out to me. My number is 574-527-8465. But I'm going to go ahead and give you a quick walk around tour video of the vehicle, like I said. Other than that, you enjoy the rest of your day. Alrighty, bye-bye.